the streets. Better keep your mouth closed, what I did for the street. Go up, PT a show, drop signs to the streets. Rather fall out with my bitch than fall out with my brothers. Feel like we blood brothers, call each other mamas.
On the 23rd of December 2018. Just going to do a quick analysis, top-down analysis. Going to start on the monthly time frame. All right, let's see. We have here. Going to plot a nice level of support and resistance before we start. To start it off. Let's see. There's some nice resistance over at the 1.837 level. No, the 1.839, so 1.84 basically. I'm going to leave it there. Nice little area of resistance on the monthly time frame. For support, we've got a nice support at 1.72146, which I'm going to leave there. Now I'm going to work down to the weekly, but before I do that, I'm just going to label this as a monthly support and then monthly resistance. Now I'm going to look at it on the weekly. Look for a nice support and resistance there. The closest one to where price is at right now. The pound is all over the place this week because of all the Brexit news. It's still tradable. Looking for a nice opportunity on pound pairs this week. Right now, I'm currently short on cable and GBPJPY. I'll show them in a bit. For the weekly, actually, it's a nice level of resistance which we just broke at the moment at 1.79088. So you can say 1.79 if you round it up to a psychological round number. So I'm just going to leave that there. That's a weekly resistance. I'm going to look for a weekly support. Got a nice weekly support here, actually, at 1.75348. We'll label that as a weekly support. So now we've got weekly resistance and support. We've got a monthly resistance and support. We can come down to the daily. I'm not going to draw any trend lines on the weekly because, you know, I could easily draw a long-term one here, but we're nowhere near that at the moment. So I'm just going to focus on the daily time frame. See if I could draw any kind of trend lines there. So we're done on the weekly and the monthly. The daily, you can see here, we've recently broken out of this. Let's see, out of this area there. I'm going to put that as a nice little daily support, something to fall back on. Right now, price is currently bullish, but a nice impulse, looking for a correction, some kind of pattern, continuation pattern, then maybe a move to the upside. Our next daily resistance, I would say, would be around here. So our next target, 1.811. I'm going to put daily resistance, but I'm also going to put target. The capitals looks better than capitals. So now we've got daily support, daily target. All right. Looks pretty good. Just going to have a look on the 4 hour quickly, see what price is doing. We've had this nice impulse correction. Pretty weak impulse there. We've got an impulse now, so waiting for some kind of correction. Price doesn't seem to be slowing down yet. We just broke past the weekly resistance at 1.79088. Market just opened, so plus it's Christmas, so I'm not really looking to take a trade, but you know, someone asked me to break down GBPAUD, so I just thought, why not? So right now, like I said, we're waiting for some kind of break to the downside, get a nice continuation pattern possibly, and then possibly a buy to the 1.811 level. I know this happened in the past, but it helps sometimes to understand where price is going. So we broke out of this descending trend line, broke to the upside. So therefore, we should be looking for some kind of move like this now, for example. So you've had this impulse, now you need a correction to the upside, possibly hit this daily resistance level, and then possibly, you know, break out of that new ascending trend line, the downside, make another leg down, or, you know, we could break the daily resistance and hit the monthly, take out the previous high, and turn into a bullish move. So let's take a look at this out. Let's see. Put the magnet tool back on. What's the thing I can get right now is this. Actually, yeah, that first ascending trend line up there was on the daily time frame. So right now, working on the 4-hour, could have a possible valid trend line here. Could get the move to the downside, like I said. See if it will respect. Yeah, well, now we're working on the hourly. I know price, you know, market just opened, but we've had a little gap, little evening star pattern. We could possibly see price move to the downside, and then get a nice buy opportunity at this daily support, and then we can possibly pursue 1.811, like I said. So anything is possible at the moment. Could, like I said, also see a break to the upside. Either way, my target would be this daily resistance at 1.811. I look for buys around this daily support, ascending trend line area. You see a nice rejection and a buying opportunity. Or if we get a break to the upside, after the break, I'd wait for a retest, a nice little continuation pattern, then I'd buy to 1.811. I just wanted to show a quick trade with back test, I think. Actually, let me just show you what trades I'm currently on. It's all at break even now. Did that on Friday. This is cable. Broke out this trend line. I did anticipate it because we were on the daily time frame. We were rejecting the 1.267 area, also the 1.269. See here, price failed to close above it for a while. Also, we've got all this bearish momentum. all this bearish news, I guess. A lot of fundamentals right now. Well, Brexit bullshit. So I was looking for sells anyway. Like you see here, all these heavy rejection candlesticks. So I'm short on pound. Looking to take profit at the 1.248 level. Could probably see it go a bit further. Also short on GBPJPY, like I said. Broke out of this daily consolidation. Target is 138.652 with potential to move more to the downside. Pretty simple, to be honest. I hit my take profit one at 140.243. Didn't take any profit, just put stops at break even. So yeah, just waiting for that to mount. I was short on Aussie dollar again at stops at break even. Target is at 0.7016. Entered after the break of the daily consolidation. Oh, sorry, it was the 4-hour consolidation, not a daily. So after we broke out of there, found the trade. Very nice entry. Looking to take profit at 0.70160. And I'm just stalking gold at the moment, because we did get a break to the upside. However, we have hit some nice resistance at 1263, but I do see another leg forming to the upside, the 1281.99 or 1282 area, and possibly could look for shorts to the downside. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at the moment. But yeah, it's a pretty short webinar, but you know, I was bored, so I thought might as well.